Welcome to 1 Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese step by step. Today's grammar is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is のが下手です。のが下手です。のが下手です means not good at doing. Let's practice with questions and answers. Question. 何をするのが下手ですか? What are you not good at doing? Answer. 歌を歌うのが下手です。I am not good at singing. Question. 日本語を話すのが下手ですか? Are you not good at speaking Japanese? Answer. はい、まだ下手です。Yes, I'm still not good at it. Question. 料理をするのが下手ですか? Are you not good at cooking? Answer. はい、少し下手です。Yes, I'm a little poor at it. Today's grammar was のが下手です。Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See you in the next lesson.